Hello everyone, sorry I had to restart my Etsy video because the camera shut off and BSB Kid kept interfering. So here we go, again. Alright, so first off, got two masks, vitamin F, there's a vitamin F, I don't know, shows you how much I know. Vitamin C, I'm so excited about these. Alright, and then our cute little bag. It's so adorable. Alright, so because I kind of was already through it one time, I didn't get to see everything that's in it. So, let's get back through it. Alright, so a little card. Question isn't who is going to let me, it's who's going to stop me. Exactly. And I'm kind of excited about this brush. Like I said, restarting the video, but girl, look at this. And look, it's so soft. And it says good night, and it's by DC. It's a 110 brush. Don't know. Looks like maybe concealer or something. But I love it. It's Harley Quinn. Love it. So Harley Quinn. Alright, what else? I don't know how to say this. Tresique? Don't know. It's cute. Look at this. Cute little... cute little lip thingy. Mumbai Magenta. Sounds really pretty. Here. Oh. That's really pretty. And you guys, Thank Me Later Face Primer Mattifying by Elizabeth Mott. I'm going to have to get some of this. Again, I've already tried it, opened it. Comes out pink. You see this? It comes out pink. I don't want to waste it, but I'm going to have to. I don't know if you can tell the difference between this side and this side. But instantly, if you ever get this, you're going to notice an instant difference. It's amazing. And then our last little thing. M Princess. I feel like we got through this video way too quickly. What do y'all think? Maybe not. I spoke too soon. Try opening something. Oh, is this... it's a loose powder, loose pigment. I don't really like loose pigments. I don't know. I just don't. Ugh. Need to lengthen your video? Try opening something. Just kidding. Ooh. See if we can do this. Okay. Alright, alright. Oh my gosh. Alright, love it. Love it. So, alright you guys, when I start getting more Ipsies, if there's stuff in there I don't like or I don't need, or if I have duplicates, I will actually start doing a fill bag and giveaway thing. I know one of my other favorite YouTubers does that with her extra Ipsy stuff. I know other people donate it or something. Whichever. I will probably end up doing. So just let me know down in the comment section what you want me to keep an eye out for and other things. And also, I should be getting, I kind of ordered some stuff from Wet n Wild. I'm waiting for that to get here. Plus, I have a new palette that I want to try out. I think you guys will like it. I think so. Want to try it out. Try to get Blue back on here so that she can have a moment. I know she needs at least a story time right now. Alright, so thank you guys so much. And if you have any questions or concerns, or if you just want to say hi, leave it down in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye!